Hello my magic people! Today it's time to show you how you can easily and in only a few clicks get your photos look from something like this to this. I'm talking about using Lightroom presets on your mobile Lightroom app without having the desktop version of Lightroom. That way you can easily edit your photos taken with your smartphone. So in this tutorial I will teach you how to install and apply presets to your photos. So let's begin. Open the Lightroom app and first create an album where you will put your DNG files from which you will create presets. I will put my Magic Touch presets here, so I will name it after them. Now open an album and import DNG files you have downloaded on your device. On the top right menu, turn off the check mark on JPEGs PNGs so only RAWs will be shown, and that way you will find those DNG files you need a lot easier. Now select all DNG files from which you want to create presets and click Add to import them. Now get back to the previous screen and create another album in which you will put your photos. Creating albums isn't actually necessary, you can just click on the icon below and import photos directly, but I always create albums to keep things organized. Now let's import some photos here. Okay, when you're done importing, let's create those presets. Open an album with DNG files, click on the file to open an editor, and then just go to the top left menu and create preset. Here you can also organize your presets to groups or add them directly to the general user presets group. Now type a name of your preset and click on checkmark to save it. Now you can slide through the DNG files and repeat the same steps with all of them to create all those presets. I will speed up this part now. In my Magic Touch preset pack that I'm using here, you will find 15 color mobile and desktop presets and also 4 practical desktop presets, which include black and white, sharpening plus noise reduction, adding vignette or grain. Now when you're done creating presets, open an album with photos to edit them. I will choose this photo and open it in editor. Choose the preset group with your presets here, and now you can choose a preset which will fit your photo best. I think Warm Tones version 5 will look good on this, but I like version 2 also, and it's more orange, which I like, so I will just go with that one. See how the whole photo already looks good. Usually you just need to set exposure, so let's bring it up a little. I will also bring the highlights down even more, and that's pretty much it. I like how the photo looks now, so we can already get to another one. Now let's choose this one. Again, go to the presets tool and choose which one you like the best. I will go with Natural Tones version 1 on this because I like how sunny and warm it looks on the image. Again, let's just bring the exposure a bit up and highlights a bit down. Okay, so when you're satisfied with the results, you can select and export edited photos to your device. And we're done. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Join my Facebook group where you can ask all questions about my Lightroom presets, photo editing, or just share your photos edited with Magic Touch. Link to the group is in the video description below. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye!